ادعو إلى سبيل ربك بالحكمة والموعظة الحسنة وجادلهم بالتي هي الأحسن. Invite all to the ways of thy Lord with wisdom and with beautiful preaching, and debate with them in the best of manners.
Ahmed Deedat explains that he is not making mockery of Jesus, but Bible makes.
Well-prepared and well-researched talk, you referred to Jesus Christ as Hazrat Isa alayhi salam. I, as a Muslim, like yourself, believe in Hazrat Isa alayhi salam as a true prophet of God. As your talk went on, I got the feeling, perhaps I was alone in getting that feeling, maybe other people who listened to your talk in an open-minded fashion as I did, I tried to do it. I got the feeling that at times, with due respect, you appeared to mock Hazrat Isa alayhi salam, Nawzullah. You appeared to mock his teachings, and therefore I feel that if that feeling is correct, that in the course of your talk you have not only, again with due respect, not only contradicted yourself, but also misrepresented the teachings of Islam, which are to respect all the true prophets of Allah. What are your comments on this?
Before you move away from the mic, you see, you made an allegation, very serious allegation, that I mocked Jesus. I just want you to give one example. One example. Look, I spoke for more than an hour. Surely you can give one example. Let the people hear what mocking did I do as a Muslim. One example. Let them hear.
Hazrat Isa alayhi salam's teachings were true teachings of Allah, and Hazrat Muhammad Mustafa sallallahu alayhi wa sallam's teachings were a development of those teachings, an expansion of those teachings, as you so correctly said, to the world at large. But in the way you delivered your speech, in the way you referred to Hazrat Isa alayhi salam in the course of your speech, there was no particular example as such.
But 1.25 hours, you can't give one example of mockery,
but you will say this is incorrect, and that please hold.
What you have to do is, look, give examples. Now, if you were a Christian, I would have been happy to deal with you as a Christian. Because if you said I made mockery, I said this is what the Bible says. This is how the Bible put it. He said, "O generation of vipers, you whited sepulchres, you wicked and adulterous generation." Now, if that is offensive to anybody, I said, these are not my words. I never spoke like that. I never uttered words to that effect. You see, that you fools, you hypocrites, you brood of snakes. You know who's talking like that? Jesus in the Bible. He says, you brood of snakes, you wicked and adulterous generation. Do you know all that? Do you know that Jesus speaks like that? The Christians say, this is how Jesus spoke. You know, he insulted his mother. He said, woman, what have I to do with you?